So we were discussing protein. A small video was done on this, a basic information, but I'm giving you again a little bit. Protein, the monomer of protein is what? It's amino acid. It's amino acid. That's very important. And the bond which protein made is polypeptide bond. For every like protein, carbohydrate, we have separate bond, peptide. In this protein, you will study peptide bond. Okay, then the most abundant protein is known as Rubisco, which you will study when we study bioenergetics or leaf photosynthesis. These all Rubisco is the most abundant. Then in animal, like this is abundant protein overall the nature, but abundant in animal protein is not glycogen. Abundant animal protein is glycogen, whereas we have many amino acid. Now let's discuss what would be the structure. The structure is very simple. So this is the basic structure. Here in the middle element carbon, it is attached NH2 and COOH, which is the carboxyl group, and NH2 amino group. And here you will see R, which is radial group. This means this is variable alkyl group. H here is the bond. So this one is variable. This is simple structure. Okay. This is known as alkyl group. This is alkyl group. Carboxyl group. This carboxyl. This is amino group. This is the basic structure. Now let's discuss. This all was done in the last video, but not only structure. Structure was remaining. So I've just given a basic introduction. Now you may see here we have two types of amino acid. Amino acid. First is essential. And non-essential. Essential is simply which we don't have in our body, but our body needs that. Essential, not in body, or like our body does not synthesize that, not in body, but that is requirement of our body. So our body need that. Our body need that, but that is not present in our body. So our body will take from the outside, or outside by what? By diet. There are a lot of example which is not present in our body, but still our body need that. So just because of that, we take that in a diet, daily diet. And non-essential here is that this is synthesized by our body, synthesized, but that is not required for our body. That is essential, like that is synthesized in our body. Our body produce that, and whatever our body produce, if body produce, that is known as non-essential. Okay, this should be clear. Then we have composition. Here you will see composition. Composition of what? Composition of protein is simply hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and in a little quantity, or sometimes you will see sulfur as well. Okay, sulfur is written in federal book, so that's why I'm just telling you this is present, but that is in very less quantity. So we really don't consider, but still, when you tell the composition, you may add sulfur is in a little quantity. So write it, sulfur sometimes present, and there are 20 amino acid which make the protein. And recently research at 21, one have been increased, so it is 21 amino